So today I made the exploding stick bomb with colored sticks, not popsicle sticks. So like it's lined up, and you notice we have a curve right here, and it's ended up here, all the way from back here. So today I'm going to take out the green stick and make it explode in the turning stick bomb, the weaver. And also, I've also copied the double ninja star, and I've also copied the paper wallet. And so like I got 4 colors. I have green, blue, red, and yellow. So like I got a lot of green here, and then I gained like it's a multicolored pattern of sticks until it ends. So here's where I ended up here. I closed it up with the yellow stick, and also some sticks might fall on the floor. And I'm also wearing safety goggles in case something flies right into my face.
All right, are you ready to trigger it?
Yep.
I'm gonna stand behind the chair so that I don't get hit.
I'm going to trigger it right now. I hope this works. Come on. Let me take this out carefully. There we go.
Let go with it.